You can't really manage what you don't know. So when we have globally consolidated data, then that's where we get a really holistic view and we're able to take action accordingly. So PACCAR is a Fortune 200 company. We are one of the largest global manufacturers of medium and heavy-duty trucks under the DAF, Kenworth, and Peterbilt nameplates. We are a manufacturing company, and we have to travel all over the world. Having a tool like SAP Concur for our users just allows them to focus on what they need to do.
Before, we used a lot of Excel spreadsheets to track travel. We had to keep a lot of receipts, and you had to take copies of each one and submit them all with this expense report at the very end that you had to manually enter all the data into in an Excel spreadsheet. So it was quite a tedious process.
It's a big time saver to have reports with the right fields, with the right parameters. I have been able to easily identify variances where if I didn't have these reports, it would take a lot of manual work.
Data is very important to me. I can't make decisions if I don't have data to back it up. We identified over $100,000 savings for corporate card adoption. We identified over $100,000 savings for online adoption. I think when you look at it from a procurement standpoint, where I report into purchasing, I use intelligence for my supplier negotiations, so I know where to focus. I can see consolidated spend from a management perspective. It allows us to provide actionable data.
SAP Concur is a one-stop shop.